Can't remember a password you saved ages ago? Don't worry, I'll show you 2 simple ways to find all your saved passwords on your iPhone. Stick around till the end because the second method might surprise you. A lot of people forget it even exists. Let's get started. First, swipe all the way to the app library on your iPhone. In the search bar at the top, type Passwords and open the Passwords app. This used to be found under Settings, but now Apple made it a standalone app in the latest iOS updates. Once you're in the app, tap All at the top left, and here you'll see a full list of all your saved passwords. Tap on any one, and you'll see your username, usually your email, and the password, which you can tap to reveal. That's the first method using the Apple Passwords app. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future iPhone tips like this. Now for the second method, this time through your Google account. Open Safari or Google Chrome and head to google.com. Tap on your profile icon at the top right and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Swipe along the top menu and tap Security. Scroll down until you find Password Manager, then tap Manage Passwords. This shows you passwords Google has saved for you, and it might include different ones from your iPhone passwords, depending on what you've logged into using Chrome or Android in the past. You can tap any account here to see the saved login credentials. Between Apple's Passwords app and Google's Password Manager, you should now be able to access pretty much any saved password you've ever used on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.